Alberta, British Columbia and Prince Edward Island PNP draws. 3 Canadian provinces have conducted major PNP draws this week, creating new opportunities for skilled workers and candidates already living in Canada. Alberta issued more than 1,100 invitations across 2 streams. British Columbia held its largest entrepreneur immigration selection of the year. Prince Edward Island invited its highest number of candidates so far in 2025. Here's a full breakdown of all 3 provincial draws. Alberta Draw Overview. Alberta issued a combined total of 1,125 invitations through the AIP. This marks the province's second-largest draw of the year so far. Candidates were invited based on Alberta ties, AIP scoring, and priority healthcare experience. Selections took place under 2 different provincial immigration streams. Alberta Draw Details. On 10th November, Alberta invited 1,045 candidates under the Alberta Opportunity Stream, with a minimum score of 55. 4 days later, the province issued 80 invitations under the Express Entry Priority Healthcare category, with a cutoff of 52. The Opportunity Stream continues to hold the largest allocation within Alberta. More than 3,120 nominations have already been issued under this pathway in 2025. Alberta Allocation Growth. Alberta recently received a sizable boost to its annual nomination cap. Its 2025 provincial allocation rose from 4,875 to 6,603 nomination spots. Over 1,100 Opportunity Stream applications still remain under review. The province must use these expanded spaces before the year concludes. While Alberta focused on volume, British Columbia turned toward entrepreneurship this week. British Columbia PNP Entrepreneur Selection. British Columbia held its largest entrepreneur immigration draw of the year. The province invited candidates through both its base and regional entrepreneur streams. This is part of BC's strategy to attract high-impact business operators who can create economic value province-wide. So far this year, BC has held 8 entrepreneur-focused draws. British Columbia Draw Highlights. On 18th November, BC issued 19 invitations under the base stream with a minimum score of 121. Fewer than 5 invitations were issued under the regional stream with a cutoff score of 115. Both streams require candidates to establish or acquire a business in BC before receiving a nomination. This reinforces BC's push toward attracting business-driven permanent residents. Meanwhile, the smallest province delivered its largest draw. Prince Edward Island's major labor draw. Prince Edward Island invited 190 candidates through the Labour and Express Entry categories. This is officially the largest round of invitations the province has held this year. Priority was given to candidates working for payee employers and those contributing to key economic sectors. French-speaking candidates and recent graduates also received preference. Prince Edward Island Selection Focus. Payee emphasized candidates who demonstrate strong integration potential within the province. Graduates from UPE, Holland College, and College de l'Île were highly prioritized. Every draw in 2025 has focused on labor and express entry pathways exclusively. Most invitations issued this year have been sent to individuals working within payee. Prince Edward Island's upcoming schedule. Payee maintains a public schedule for its draws throughout the year. The second-last scheduled draw took place on 20th November. The final scheduled selection is set for 18th December. Although additional unscheduled draws remain possible. Conclusion. 3 provinces, 3 significant selections, and hundreds of new invitations. Alberta expanded its provincial intake. British Columbia boosted entrepreneur pathways. Payee continued to prioritize workers already contributing to its economy. We will continue tracking these developments as the year progresses. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.